Yesterday, I was conducting an amazing workshop called as Take the Leap for participants across the world. I was in a good flow, and suddenly the animation in my presentation stopped working.
Here they are here. There is some technical glitch in the presentation.
I tried everything, and suddenly I saw Murphy saying, "Hi, what's up? Long time no see." I tried my best, but there was some issue with the Zoom sharing and the animation in my presentation. I struggled for 5 minutes and eventually I came back to my normalcy and delivered the session perfectly well. Remember this, whenever you are doing something great, Murphy is going to pay you a visit. Do not get offended. Do not get frustrated. Do not quit. Murphy is just testing your intentions.
Murphy's law. I think Murphy is also attending our session today. मतलब जितना कुछ गलत हो सकता है वो आज हो रहा है. Okay? Super.
If you can make friends with Murphy, you will always be successful in every goal of yours.